My name's Rick Murphy. I'm the Technical Support and Specifications Director for Everest Systems. So we're here showcasing our EverFoam system over an existing foam roof that's in bad disrepair. One of the things about our restoration systems, they're very versatile for coming in and restoring an existing roof. But with our systems, if you come in, prep it correctly, and go through the steps that we outline, you will come out with a roof that'll perform as good or better than a new roof, and we can give you a 10, 15, or 20-year warranty. We're going to go through all the steps to apply that system. So this particular job was in pretty poor shape and needed to be scarified. One of the things that we're doing here is getting rid of all the problem areas that they've just gone over bad foam multiple times and just enhanced the problem, made it worse and worse. So what we're doing is we're removing it, getting down to a good, solid, clean, dry surface that is acceptable for foam before we go back with the foam. As you can see, when you scarify, you make a huge mess. You've got all the debris that you've got to take care of, clean up. So one of the keys to success is preparation on this system, as with any of our restoration systems. You need to get to a clean, dry surface before you can do anything moving forward. You'll come in with the new foam, you'll put that down at 1 inch, let it cure. You're going to come back over it with another inch of foam to make it up to 2 inches. Once the foam is set, you'll come back in and spray the elastomeric base coat over that. With the contrasting colors, when you use your optical comparator to check melt thicknesses, it's easier if you've done 2 different colors. Our EverFoam system has several advantages to it. You can come in on these roofs and apply the foam. You can build up low areas to get it to slope to drain. You come in, the foam is monolithic. You're going to do your entire roof. You will have no seams anywhere, so there's nowhere that you can get leaks. One of the advantages, the SPF foam is one of the best insulators that you can get. Another benefit of the EverFoam restoration system is that it takes less time and uses less labor. Another advantage of this system is environmental. You're not taking this roof and throwing it in the landfill. You don't have the cost associated with all of that. Contact your local Everest sales representative for more information on all of our roof restoration systems.